Good morning class. This is SST class and today we will discuss about the new topic in political parties chapter, political party system. We have already discussed about the function of political party in previous video. Today we will start a new topic, political party system. Student, do you know how many political party system established in any country? Then our answer is there are only 3 political party system, especially in India and other countries, that is giving to 1, 2, 3. The first is one party system. And the second is two-party system. And the third and last is multi-party system. If a question is given by the CBSE board that which party system is better or suitable for a country, then your answer is two-party system. Two-party system is a better option in political party in any country. So then your answer is two-party system. Students, step by step we discuss about these party system. What is one party system, what is two party system, and what is multi-party system. So firstly we can discuss about the one party system. Students, one party system is that system. In this system a country has only one major and effective party in country. For example, China has only one effective party in country, that Communist Party. Communist Party is a very major and effective party in China, which is known a one party system in that country. So this is not good for any country because all citizens has no power and has no political rights, and who did not elect our candidate and representative in this party system. So China has only one party system, and China is also known as a one party system. So then two party system. What is two party system? Two party system is just opposite of one party system. In this system a country has two major and effective parties in their country. For example, in USA and in UK, USA United States of America, and UK United Kingdom, there are only two major and effective parties were established in USA, named Republican Party and Democratic Party, and in UK also have only two party system in country. And multi-party system. Multi-party system is that system. In this system there are many parties includes in this system. For example, our country, especially India. India has a multi-party system. So multi-party system and one party system, both party system are not suitable and better for any country, because the first evil of the multi-party system is no one party can achieve all majority after the election, and two party system have adopted system is known as a political party system, then your answer is two-party system is suitable and better in any country. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.